Hi, this is Jim with Winchester Systems. Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to create logical volumes in a flash disk while leveraging the active-active RAID controller's processing power. First, we'll log into Global Manager version 3 so we can configure an RF2U12R0 array. There is no current configuration on the system, as can be seen, so we will start by clicking on Logical Volumes and create Logical Volume. Here is where you select the number of spindles you want to put into your logical volume. And since we need to leverage the active-active RAID controller processing power, we need to assign one logical volume to slot A and one logical volume to slot B. So we'll start out by selecting the first 6 drives, and we will do a RAID 5 configuration, and the assignment, which is key, is to assign it to slot A. Here we have a summary screen of what we did just configure, showing that the assignment is on slot A. We have 6 drives in the array and our total capacity of 9.09 terabytes. Now that our first volume is configured, we will want to take the rest of the unconfigured drives and configure them as well, but we will do that manually to assure that we assign it to slot B RAID controller. By default, the remaining 6 drives are selected, RAID 5 is also selected, and slot B by default is selected. Again, assigning a volume to slot A and slot B assures that any IOs coming in for the respective logical volumes will be handled by its assigned controller. Therefore, if you have IOs going to Volume 1 and Volume 2 simultaneously, both RAID controllers will be active and you will leverage that extra processing power. Again, our summary screen noting that slot B is the assignment for this volume. So now that both logical volumes have been created and assigned to their respective controllers, we want to go back and check to make sure that it has been done correctly. And we can see here the index for the logical drive is A0. A indicates slot A controller. And for the second one, we've noticed that the index is B1, B meaning the B controller. And that's really all there is to it. By creating and assigning logical drives and volumes to different controllers, you can actually leverage the CPU processing power of both RAID controllers simultaneously in your environment to improve performance of both throughput and IOPS. Thanks again for taking time to watch this brief tutorial on how to create active-active logical volumes in our flash disk. Take care. We'll see you next time.